Hi friends, let's walk through some key concepts in Rita Mulcahi's book. If you have not yet watched my previous video on first chapter notes, please watch it here before proceeding. So, are you all ready?
Introduction to Project Management. Importance of project management. Project management is crucial for understanding the dynamics of managing projects effectively, especially for passing the PMP exam. Each chapter in the study material builds upon the previous one, enhancing overall comprehension of project management principles. Identifying gaps in knowledge is essential for effective studying and application of project management concepts. Definition of a project. A project is defined as a temporary endeavor with a clear beginning and end, aimed at creating a unique product, service, or result. Understanding the definition of a project is vital for answering exam questions accurately, as many candidates misidentify their work as projects when they are not. Example, if a manager asks to fix a broken system, it may not qualify as a project unless it involves a structured approach with defined outcomes. Key project management terms. Essential terms and concepts. Project management, the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project requirements. Stakeholder, any individual or group that can affect or is affected by the project. Governance, the framework of policies and procedures that guide project management within an organization. Project Management Office, PMO. PMOs can be classified into three types: supportive, controlling, and directive, each with different levels of authority and involvement in project management. Supportive PMO provides support and guidance to project teams without direct control. Controlling PMO offers support but also requires compliance with certain standards and methodologies. Project lifecycle and processes. Project lifecycle phases. Projects typically go through distinct phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Each phase has specific deliverables and processes that must be completed before moving to the next phase. Example, in the planning phase, a work breakdown structure, WBS, is created to outline the project scope. Transition from project to operations. Upon project completion, deliverables are transitioned to operational teams to ensure benefits are realized. Example, after developing a new software system, training employees is necessary for effective implementation. Understanding the difference between operational work and project work is critical for exam success. Governance and organizational structure. Importance of governance in projects. Governance structures ensure that projects align with organizational strategy and comply with regulations. The board of directors typically oversees governance, ensuring adherence to both internal and external standards. Effective governance can significantly impact project success and organizational performance. Organizational structures and their impact. Different organizational structures, functional, matrix, project-oriented, affect how projects are managed and resources are allocated. Matrix structure balances power between functional and project managers, allowing for flexibility in resource allocation. Understanding the organizational structure is essential for effective stakeholder management and communication. Overview of project governance. Role of the board of directors. The board is responsible for ensuring that organizational work adheres to both external, government or regulatory, and internal standards. Internal requirements include policies and procedures that guide portfolio, program, and project work, ensuring alignment with the organization's strategic plan. Governance frameworks are tailored to support the unique culture and attributes of each organization, enhancing effectiveness. The board's oversight helps in delivering specific benefits or value to the organization, ensuring accountability and transparency. Effective governance structures can mitigate risks and improve decision-making processes within the organization. Project Governance Framework. Project governance provides a structured framework for managing project work across the organization. It encompasses the creation and enforcement of processes and policies related to risk management, resource allocation, communication, and change management. A project management office, PMO, often administers project governance, ensuring consistency and compliance across projects. Governance frameworks help in aligning projects with organizational strategy, enhancing the likelihood of project success. The effectiveness of project governance can be measured through stakeholder satisfaction and achievement of project objectives. Understanding portfolio management. Definition and importance of portfolio management. A portfolio consists of programs, individual projects, and related operational work prioritized to achieve specific strategic business goals. Combining various projects and programs into portfolios optimizes resource use, enhances organizational benefits, and reduces risks. Portfolios can include unrelated projects, as long as they contribute to a common strategic goal, demonstrating flexibility in management. The selection of projects for a portfolio is based on potential return on investment and alignment with corporate strategy, ensuring strategic coherence. Effective portfolio management is crucial for maximizing organizational performance and achieving long-term objectives. Visual representation of portfolio management. Element. Description. Portfolio. A collection of programs and projects aligned with strategic goals. Program. A group of related projects managed in a coordinated manner. Project. A temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or service. The visual representation, Figure 2.1, illustrates how portfolios encompass various projects and programs, highlighting their interconnections. Exploring program management. Definition and benefits of program management. Program management involves grouping related projects to coordinate their management effectively, focusing on interdependencies. This approach can decrease risks, achieve economies of scale, and improve overall management efficiency. The program manager plays a crucial role in ensuring that projects within the program achieve their intended benefits and strategic alignment. Combining projects into programs allows for coordinated control, support, and guidance, enhancing project outcomes. The program management framework is beneficial only when it adds value to the organization, ensuring that resources are utilized effectively. Visual representation of program management. Element. Description. Program. A coordinated management structure for related projects. Project. Individual projects that contribute to the program's goals. Figure 2.2 visually depicts the relationship between programs and projects, emphasizing the importance of coordination in achieving strategic objectives. Fundamentals of project management. Definition and importance of project management. Project management is both a science and an art, involving systematic processes to manage work efficiently and effectively. The science aspect focuses on using appropriate processes and tools to deliver planned results, while the art involves interpersonal skills and strategic thinking. The PMBOK guide outlines project management through process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, and closing. Knowledge areas include integration, scope, schedule, cost, quality, resource, communications, risk, procurement, and stakeholder management, all of which are critical for project success. Effective project management ensures that organizations focus on important work, manage risks, and achieve quality outcomes, leading to stakeholder satisfaction. Project management process groups. The 5 process groups are interconnected and can occur simultaneously throughout the project lifecycle. Each process group has specific objectives and activities that contribute to the overall success of the project. Understanding these groups is essential for applying project management practices effectively and ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Organizational project management, OPM. Definition and role of OPM. Organizational project management, OPM, serves as a framework for guiding project, program, and portfolio management practices. OPM aligns organizational efforts with strategic goals, ensuring that all projects and programs contribute to desired outcomes. It provides direction on how to prioritize, manage, execute, and measure organizational work effectively. Understanding the interrelationship between projects, programs, and portfolios is crucial for successful OPM implementation. Changes in organizational strategy necessitate adjustments in portfolios, programs, and projects to maintain alignment and effectiveness. Visual representation of OPM. Element. Description. OPM. A strategic framework guiding project, program, and portfolio management. Portfolio management. Selects and prioritizes projects to achieve strategic goals. Program management. Coordinates related projects for specific benefits. Project management. Manages efforts to develop specific scope aligned with strategic objectives. Figure 2.3 illustrates how OPM drives organizational success by integrating project, program, and portfolio management. Understanding the Project Management Office, PMO. Types of PMOs. Supportive PMO provides policies, methodologies, templates, and lessons learned for project management. It typically exercises a low level of control over projects, focusing on guidance rather than enforcement. Controlling PMO offers support and guidance on project management practices, trains staff in project management software, and ensures compliance with organizational policies. It has a moderate level of control over projects, balancing support with oversight. Directive PMO directly manages projects and project managers, holding responsibility for project outcomes. This type of PMO has a high level of control and is involved in all aspects of project management. Key functions of PMOs: manage interdependencies among projects, integrate information to assess strategic objectives, provide resources, recommend project terminations, monitor compliance, and gather lessons learned. Involvement in projects. PMOs are more heavily involved during project initiation phases and may have representation on change control boards, acting as stakeholders and prioritizing projects. PMO exercise and analysis. Exercise overview. The exercise involves determining the type of PMO based on given descriptions of project management practices within an organization. Example descriptions. Descriptions include managing all projects, providing support and guidance, coordinating projects, and recommending common practices. Analysis of PMO types. Each description can be classified as supportive, controlling, or directive based on the level of control and involvement in project management processes. Organizational structures in project management. Impact of organizational structure on projects. Organizational influence. Projects are influenced by the cultural norms, management policies, and procedures of the organization. Understanding these influences is crucial for effective project management, especially in global contexts. Authority dynamics. The structure of an organization dictates the authority of project managers versus functional managers, impacting decision-making and resource allocation. Exam considerations. Questions may focus on the project manager's authority and the advantages or disadvantages of different organizational structures. Types of organizational structures. Functional structure groups employees by specialization, e.g., accounting, marketing. Projects typically occur within a single department, and communication is primarily internal. Team members balance project work with departmental responsibilities. Project-oriented structure. The organization is structured around projects, with project managers having full control. Team members focus solely on project work, lacking a departmental home post-project. Matrix structure combines functional and project-oriented structures, where team members report to both a project manager and a functional manager. This structure can be strong, weak, or balanced, affecting the power dynamics between managers. Roles within matrix structures. Project expediter acts as a staff assistant and communication coordinator without decision-making authority. This role is primarily supportive. Project coordinator, similar to the expediter, but with some authority to make decisions. This role has more influence in project management compared to the expediter. Matrix organization overview. A matrix organization involves team members reporting to two managers, the project manager and the functional manager, e.g., engineering manager. Communication flows from team members to both managers, allowing for dual oversight and resource allocation. Team members engage in project work alongside their regular departmental responsibilities, creating a blend of functional and project-oriented tasks. In a strong matrix, the project manager holds significant power, while in a weak matrix, the functional manager has more authority, resembling a coordinator's role. A balanced matrix shares power between the project and functional managers, promoting collaboration and joint decision-making. Types of matrix structures. Strong matrix. Project manager has primary authority, leading to more effective project execution and decision-making. Weak matrix. Functional manager has more control, limiting the project manager's influence and often leading to conflicts in priorities. Balanced matrix. Power is shared, requiring negotiation and collaboration between managers to achieve project goals. Tight matrix versus matrix organization. A tight matrix refers to the co-location of project team members in the same workspace, enhancing communication and collaboration. This term is often confused with matrix organization structures, but is distinct in its focus on physical workspace arrangement. Advantages and disadvantages of organizational structures. Understanding the advantages and disadvantages of functional, project-oriented, and matrix structures is crucial for exam success. Functional structure advantages: easier management of specialists, centralized resources, and clear career paths. Project-oriented structure advantages: efficient project organization, team loyalty, and effective communication. Matrix structure advantages: improved resource control, better coordination, and visibility of project objectives. Roles and responsibilities in project management. Project manager role. The project manager is responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects, ensuring they meet objectives and stay within budget. They must balance the needs of the project with the expectations of stakeholders, including team members and upper management. Effective communication and leadership skills are essential for guiding the project team and managing conflicts. Project sponsor/initiator role. The project sponsor provides financial resources and support, acting as a champion for the project. Responsibilities include defining project objectives, advocating for the project, and ensuring alignment with organizational goals. The sponsor may also help develop the business case and gather support from stakeholders, ensuring project buy-in. Key responsibilities of the project sponsor. During project initiation, the sponsor defines requirements, participates in developing the business case, and advocates for the project. They ensure funding, provide high-level requirements, and help establish project priorities and milestones. The sponsor's role is critical in guiding the project to approval and formalization, working closely with the project manager. Importance of clear role definitions. Clarity in roles and responsibilities is vital for project success. Misunderstandings can lead to project failure. Team members must understand their roles and how they contribute to the project's objectives. Regular communication and updates can help reinforce role clarity and accountability.